Hi kiddos and welcome back to Fun Drawings with Tanu Auntie, and today we are going to do an anime image of a girl. The anime image, I'm not very sure, I might be pronouncing it wrong or I might be telling it something wrong because I'm not very sure of it, but I know how can you draw it. So let's start. So first, if you want to make an anime, first what you need to do is make a oval. Okay, after you make the oval, you have to divide your oval into half like that and half like that. Usually we do the T factor, but here it is not, my half is not right, so let me do the half correctly. Okay, so this should be equal to this and this should be equal to this. Okay, after that we'll just give a chin shape here, just give a chin shape here. Okay, now the eyes of the anime, now this part is completely empty, there is nothing at it. I wish it is quite dark enough. If it is not dark enough, I'm doing it again, children, because it should be seen. So now what you're supposed to do is just draw just on this line you're supposed to draw one U, ulta U sort of a pattern with big eyes, children, big eyeball. Okay, with a big eyeball, then you just have to give a nose, and this shall be the smile of your, okay, it's a double part line. Okay, and then the eyebrows, and this is the face. After that what you need to do is just, I will teach you the eyes separately. अभी हम लोग क्या करते हैं, सिर्फ ये गला बना देते. गला बनाने के बाद we are making the shoulders and the hands go down. Okay, the hands are going down. We are just making a frock for the anime character, and let's make the hair we can do it later on, or you can always start, because the hair will start from half. You're understanding now? See this part, for their hair will start and they will interfere. It is just a zigzag pattern which you are supposed to do. Okay, and then it goes similarly here, and then from this part you just have to take a turn, come here. Okay, then you go, you take a turn. When we do this with sketch pen, you will understand it more clearly. Okay, from here we are taking a turn and making the hair go here. I'm not going to color it, if I don't know, today at least I'm not going to color it, because time is precious, you know, and I have other works to do. Now let us concentrate only on the eye, because anime का क्या आँखें ही सबसे ज़्यादा important है. So okay, first let me do this. Okay, this I can do it with a sketch pen. So I have to darken this part. I'll show you the different parts. Okay, I darken this part. I take 3 strands like that, 1 2 3, and 2 small ones this side. Okay, after that what I do is I make the eyeball ka bahar ka part, and now see very clearly I am making a circle inside. Now similarly I will do it for this. This needs to be a little lifted. First, you know, somebody had asked me, do you make anime characters ka drawing, and I thought it was animals. Mistook from my side. I did not know what is anime, बच्चास. अभी मेरे को एक स्टूडेंट है हर्षवर्धन, उसके थ्रू पता चला what is an anime character. Okay, so I've just made these नारगुंडूज, what I call. अभी ये जो नारगुंडूज है उसके अंदर एक मैं 2 अंडूज बनाऊंगी, एक ऊपर एक नीचे, एक ऊपर एक नीचे. अभी मैं जो नारगुंडू है उसको कलर नहीं करूँगी, और इसके अंदर का जो अंडू है उसको मैं अच्छे से कलरिंग कर दूँगी, लाइक दैट. द शेप विल बी समवॉट लाइक दैट, एंड नाउ आई एम कलरिंग इट pitch black. Now this is pitch black part which I am teaching you. Okay, after that the shading will follow. So this is the pitch black part. Now I have my charcoal pencil and I have my normal pencil. So what we are going to do is make a chanda mama. Okay, you have to make a chanda mama in half the eye. Now the above part has to be done little darkly, not exactly black but not exactly light gray also, or the pencil shading. Okay, ये जो चंदा मामा हम लोगों ने करवाया है ना, उससे हम लोग को इसको ऐसे थोड़ा सा डार्कली करना है. ओके, so this part is done darkly and the lower part you can do it with your pencil. पेंसिल को सुला के, अभी वो सो भी नहीं रही है, ऐसे lightly कर सकते हैं. It's to be done very lightly, children. Okay, so this is the part. In case your white is not shining, you can just rub that part so that it shines better. अभी जो हम लोगों ने स्केच पेन में किया, अभी ये जो कैरेक्टर्स के बाल हैं, तो first let us make the hair part. Then we'll do the eyebrows. See, I have already done the eyebrows, but now the eyebrows will go inside. Because the eyebrows will go inside, I'm just doing it. The sketch pen is not writing well today, so let me take the other one. You can do it with a marker, children. You all can color it. You can do whatever you all wish to do. Okay, this is the hair part, children. So इधर से हम लोग थोड़ा सा ऐसे कर देते हैं. The hair part going down. सिर्फ zigzag बाल बनाने हैं. Remember that. Okay, you just have to make the zigzag hair. Ziggy, zacky, hairy hair. Okay, now you make the nose, you make the smile. Now you complete the face. You make the gardan, you make the shoulder, you make the dress. Okay, the main part in the when I googled it, what is an anime character, and when I googled it, I understood the entire focus of the entire drawing is just in the eye. So make the eyes properly, and once the eye is made properly, your drawing will be just perfect. Okay, so you can give little more strands if you wish to give here and there. It's a simple drawing, children. Only concentrate. When you make a circle, you have to divide it into half and see that your आँखें दौड़े fall at the lower end and the hair on the upper end. That's what you all need to concentrate. That's it. And such a simple drawing. I never knew this. I came to know through children like y'all, and I was greatly impressed. You know, first when I tried it for myself, I was really happy to make it. So keep trying, children. Keep trying something new. Even I keep on trying something new. If you want, I can color it because I really do not know the colors. मैंने एक एनिमी कैरेक्टर देखा था जिसके बाल पिंक थे. If you want, yes, I can do that. So let me color it also for you, because you know I always say I'm not going to color. I will not do this, but then मेरा मन नहीं मानता. So I've taken my maroon for her dress. Okay, now this maroon and the pinks, the rose pink. I want the rose pink. Where's my rose pink? Where's my rose pink? Rose pink color and my pink color for the hair. So the maroons will go down here. Let me complete the hair first, then I'll go with the skin part. The maroons will be everywhere down, down, everywhere down, down. Sometimes it will go up, sometimes it will be down, down. The inner parts will be darker in shade, so it has to be darker. See these inner parts. Now when I'm doing this, I'll put a strand of maroon here, a strand of maroon here, especially the जो वो वीज बनाए हैं उसके नीचे हमको maroon color करना है, बाकी everything is okay. So I have done maroon colors here and there first, then I'll take my rose pink and then my light pink. I'm not very sure whether it is maroon character, but करने में क्या जाता है. So my rose pink color, children, I've taken here. Then I'll do it with my pinks. So yeah, this is the entire hair side. And then we'll do the skin. We'll not do the background for this. पता चला मैं background भी कर रही हूँ, है ना? Correct. I know that. When I start liking something, then I start doing everything for it. Okay, now we are going to do the pink color, leaving little strands of whites here and there for the shine. Okay, so I'm doing my normal pink color. First I thought I'll do fluorescent pink, but no, let me do the normal pink. Okay, I will leave little strands of white in between for the shine in the hair. So keep going. You know, actually today I made Gandhiji to post, but you know what happened? My Gandhiji was not looking like Gandhiji. I am a very weak portrait artist. I thought I will teach all Bhagat Singh, I'll teach all these, I'll teach all that, but then I should be a good portrait artist. I need to learn first. So I will start with the portraits only after I learn. Now see, I have done this. Now I'm just going to use my finger to smudge the colors a bit. Okay, हवा में रख के smudge करना बच्चों, नहीं तो गलती हो जाएगी. I am not using white color. I am just leaving few strands here and there. And now, ouch! I'm going to put black बाद में वापस. Okay, now I will use my orange color and my skin color for the skin. So oranges will be definitely okay here inside. I should have taught you all the eyes with our oil pastels. I thought I'll not do the, you understand? I thought I will not do the, what am I saying? Hey, I left this strand of coloring of it, but then I liked it so much that I wanted the coloring part to be done. So, ये वाला पूछल मैं भूल गई. So, now my skin color, I've forgotten here also. No, but I'll do that later on. A little bit of orange here. This is showing the shadow parts, children, and then you can use your skin color and leave a little white here and there. So I'm leaving a little white here where her cheeks comes. Baki will be skin. I'm going to smudge it, so you all will understand. Okay, I've not left for the cheek here. I'll give a different color for the dress. I'll not give maroon because बहुत ज़्यादा maroon types हो जाएगा, है ना? Let me give a different color. Let me give light green for the dress. Oh, it's not looking nice, but it's okay. And I'll color the eyes also blue. See, now first what am I doing is I am just smudging this off little bit. Oi, ki hoya. Off. Okay, done. Be very careful when you're doing it, children, because even we make mistakes when we do. Because I have already done maroon color previously, so वो क्या कभी-कभी smudging में बीच में आ जाता है. If you are having these little areas can be done with a earbud. If you all are having a earbud, please do it with the earbud. Okay, I usually don't keep it. I'm making a video. I have earbuds. ऐसा नहीं है मेरे घर में नहीं है, मेरे घर में है, लेकिन अभी निकालेगा खून, है ना, इसलिए ऐसा हो जाता है. Okay, now I am teaching the eyes again to you all with my blue shades. Okay, so I am converting the upper part which I did black नहीं, मतलब grayish type with my cerulean blue. Okay, and the lower part will be of course my light blue. Because I made it colorful, otherwise I would have left it like that. Okay, now what I do is I take my blacks, okay, and I give bold. I'll have to remove a little छिलका of my black. टूटना मत यार, जब मैं छिलका निकालती हूँ ना मेरा कलर जरूर टूटता है, तो मेरे को और डर लगता है. Now since this is मोटा side, I can give thick black strokes. Otherwise I usually do this with my charcoal pencil, but here I'm doing it with my black oil pastel because I believe हमको thick lines देनी है इसलिए. और जहाँ मुझे लगता है मेरे को पिंक करना है, I'll do it again. See, here I have left it, so let me do it here. Sometimes you forget. See, this part also I've forgotten. Never mind. So this goes from behind. This is the... It's not sharpened. My color isn't sharpened, but still it can happen well. So anime character for the first time I have done. I don't know the name of this girl. I haven't seen कोई भी ऐसा वाला cartoon, so I don't know. Now the eyebrows. I hope I've made it right because I have seen it from the net. So the eye part. Be very careful. So my anime, ऐसा लगता है एनिमल, एनिमी, और क्या बोलते हैं इसको पता नहीं. We used to have simple cartoons, Tom and Jerry, Superman, Spider-Man, ऐसे सब होते थे हमारे टाइम पे. We never knew this anime और पता नहीं क्या क्या. अपना तो छोटा भीम, Oswald and Shin Chan, all these. Okay, so if you all want, you all can color the background also and post. I'm not coloring it, I'm leaving it like that, and I'm rubbing what mistakes I have done. Okay, so if possible I might do it also. मेरा कुछ खोपड़े का पता नहीं है. I might color the background and I might post it later on, but it's okay till now because only the background is left, which I know you all can do it well. So please do make it and post it on Canvas and Scissors group or FB group made for children, and please do subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.